Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Be Right, and that is by Keith Wonderboy Johnson. Guys, we're in the key of A on today. Very unusual key, but we're going to get into it. And this song was requested by David Sims. Thank you so much, David. Let's give it up for David for this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of A. Let's get it. That's A, B, D flat, D, E, G flat, A flat, and A. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's stretch our hands. All right, let's wiggle them. Let's go ahead and crack them. Yep, crack them. All right, I think we're ready. Guys, let's receive this awesome song, Be Right by Keith Wonderboy Johnson.
Now, if you want to be right, come on, put your hand together. Let's have some church in here.
That was Keith Wonderboy Johnson with Be Right. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with our intro. Let me give you that. So we're starting out on a 4. We're playing a D major chord, going to an E major chord on a 5, going to our 6, and we're playing a beautiful G minor chord. Then we're playing our E major chord on the 7. And then we're ending on our 1, which is an A major chord. So in timing, it'll be, all right. Then we just start the song. I just want to be right. What is that? What is that? So I'm starting out on the 1. Right, we're playing our A major chord. Then we're going to our 3. Right there on our 3, we're playing an F7 flat 5 chord. Then we're going to our 6. That's a G minor 7 chord. Walk down to the 5. Now we're right here on our D major chord on the 4 for I Just Want to Be Right. I just want to. And then we're changing. We're going to our 5. Same D major chord in our right hand. And then we're playing our 1. And that's an A major chord. So guys, that's pretty much the whole song, right? And then we do this turnaround. We're just going on the 6. We're playing a D major chord. Going to our A major chord on the 5. And then we're going to the 6. That's a D major chord. So guys, if that's all I teach you, that's pretty much 90% of the song. We're going to add more, okay? We're going to stack on to what we know. We can replace that 1 with the E6 chord. Also, we can replace our 6 with this beautiful A7 chord. The nice passing tone is. So all we're doing is we're going 1, 7, 7 flat, and then we're playing this open B2 chord. So what would that sound like if I was to do it in context? I just wanna be right. I just wanna be right. See, yeah, that kind of works, right? Okay, so also, I just wanna be right. Same chord. I just wanna be right. You can do this walk up right here. That walk up is on the 5. We're playing an E major chord. We're going to a D major chord on the 6. And then we're playing our E major chord on the 7. The last part of our song is I just wanna be right, be right, be right, be right. I wanna be right. All right, what is all of that? All right, let me give it to you. Our turnaround is we're on a 5 and we're playing this A flat 7 flat 5 chord. And then we're doing this nice little movement here. Be right, be right. Let me give you that. We're playing on the 1. We're playing an A flat major chord. Going to our 3. That's a D major chord. Going to our 5. A chord. Then we're going to our C diminished 7 chord right here on the 6. And then we're going right back to our 1. And that's an A major chord. And that's the pattern, guys. We're going. Let me slow it down. That last part is we're on the 7 flat. We're playing a G major chord. Then we're going to our 6, and that's a D major chord. And guys, that's the song. I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the purple equinox. I remember a season in my life when faith was all I had left to lean on. My credit was bad, money was tight, and every no from a lender felt heavier than the last. My wife and I were trying to find a car, nothing fancy, just something dependable. But door after door closed in our faces. Then one day, it felt like everything changed. We walked into a dealership where they treated us like royalty. Smiles, handshakes, and even a red carpet of hospitality. And there it was, a shiny purple equinox that seemed to have been waiting just for us. They handed us the keys and said, "Take it for a few days." You couldn't tell me I wasn't blessed. I drove it to work with the sunroof back, the wind in my hair, and my confidence fully restored. People noticed. Compliments rolled in. For a moment, I felt like life was finally turning around. Then the phone call came. "We're sorry, but your credit wasn't approved. We need you to bring the car back." That drive back to the dealership was quiet, but in that silence, I realized something powerful. What God withholds is just as meaningful as what He provides. Sometimes He allows what looks like a setback to protect us from something we can't yet see. Life lesson. Everything that's shiny isn't meant to stay. When God says not yet, it's not rejection, it's redirection. Trust His timing, even when you have to hand back the keys. Awesome job, guys. Let's give it up for ourselves. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me. And thank you so much again, David Sims, for that awesome song. Please request more. And guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. We are on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And this cannot be done without you. So if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, you know what? I'm going to cut straight to the chase. It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I want to see if you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day, my month, my year, my season. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.